Artemisia Lomi or Artemisia Gentileschi was born July 8, 1593, died circa 1656. He was an Italian Baroque painter. Gentileschi is considered among the most accomplished 17th-century artists. Initially working in the style of Caravaggio, she was producing professional work by the age of 15, in an era when women had few opportunities to pursue artistic training or work as professional artists. Gentileschi was the first woman to become a member of the Accademia di Arte del Disegno in Florence, and she had an international clientele. Many of Gentileschi's paintings feature women from myths, allegories, and the Bible, including victims, suicides, and warriors. Some of her best-known subjects are Susanna and the Elders, Judith Slaying Holofernes, and Judith and Her Maidservant. For many years Gentileschi was regarded as a curiosity, but her life and art have been re-examined by scholars in the 20th and 21st centuries. She is now regarded as one of the most progressive and expressive painters of her generation, with the recognition of her talents exemplified by major exhibitions at internationally esteemed fine art institutions, such as the National Gallery in London.